Heading into a good weekend to find an open pool or the lake. Whatever you got to do to stay cool, because it's been a little bit of a reprieve. We were warm yesterday, but beautiful. The humidity suppressed, and today the humidity is still not all that bad. We're already at 84 degrees, so yeah, we're starting to heat back up again. We'll likely top out probably around the 90s today, upper 80s to low 90s, and then well into the 90s tomorrow. So we got some heat. Here's the dew point. It was in the upper 50s earlier this morning. It's edged back into the low to mid 60s, which still really isn't all that bad. I mean, there's a little mugginess out there, but it's about to get steamy tomorrow as that humidity continues to climb and the temperature does the same. So the heat index for this afternoon won't be much of a factor. It's just going to be a hot and slightly muggy day. Tomorrow, you start to see it creeping up a bit. It's going to feel a little more like we're in the mid 90s, maybe even some upper 90s out west, some triple digits possible for that heat index. So starts to get a little more difficult to stay cool and just a bit more sticky as far as your Saturday forecast goes. That also is likely where we're going to see some of the hottest highs as far as the weekend is concerned, because we've got big dips, big ups and downs going into the next week, and a lot of that is related to increasing chances for rounds of showers and storms, with the peak hitting Monday, Tuesday, and then potentially more on the way for later this week. So should be able to hold most of that off this weekend. Of course, Hurricane Chris, long gone. But as we look out into the Atlantic following it, pretty interesting. It's not likely going to amount to much of anything at all, but it's barely Beryl. We're talking about the remnants of that once hurricane still hanging on west of Bermuda. National Hurricane Center is pretty pessimistic about chances of any kind of additional reformation here. Of course, it's going to track north into much less favorable conditions. So, or just to note that whatever's left of that once bigger system is, of course, just kind of scooting along out there in the Atlantic and not going to be an issue. MaxTrack Live shows what's an issue today, not even much. There's a very low-end threat for severe weather. They've had showers and storms ongoing along a cold front over the upper Midwest. They've got this marginal risk that they've actually shrunk a little bit into this afternoon. So that's it for the continental United States for storms today, the storm threat. Here we've just got sunshine and just the slightest possibility of an isolated shower, thunder shower right down along our far southeastern mountain counties. Pretty slim chance of seeing that, though. So we're in good shape. Tomorrow, again, maybe an isolated shower, storm, heat of the day, and we'll have heat tomorrow. But the better chance for storms starts to pop late in the weekend, starting probably Sunday evening and then ramping up Monday and Tuesday. So get ready for that. Mostly sunny, hotter, a little muggier. Highs around 90 today, down to 70 tonight, and mostly clear. Tomorrow, we'll bump it up even more so, getting into the low to mid-90s, which we've done plenty of so far this year already. So, no great spikes in temperatures, just some hot and steamy stuff there. Low 90s Sunday. Shower and storm chances ramp up. So as far as the Barbasol tourney there, the competition, we will see a chance for showers and storms at a keen trace Monday into Tuesday, and then it'll back off midweek. And unfortunately, it looks like it could ramp up again, Dia, late in the work week.
And be sure to stay with LEX 18 for all of your Barbasol coverage.